A girdle stands at a point C on top of a vertical cliff which is 850 metres high. So we mark 850 and the girdle is at C, top of the cliff. She sees a boat at a point B at an angle of depression 35 degrees from C. So the boat's going to be along here, which is the sea. So here we've got the sea, here we've got the cliff, and the boat's going to be down here somewhere. And it says that the angle of depression is 35. So if the girdle's at C, if she looks straight ahead, that would be 0. Depression is going down. So if we go angle downwards, being 35 degrees, that's your angle of depression. Okay? And we're going to work with this triangle to solve things. So if we know that's 35, we could also work out that angle in there. Or indeed this angle in here, just whatever you want. I'll go with this Z shape, so the angle here would also be 35. The angle of elevation from the boat to the girdle is 35. And we've got a right angle with the cliff and the sea. Part A is to calculate the horizontal distance between B and the foot of the cliff. So that is here. We want to work that out. We want the adjacent and we know the opposite. So to work out the adjacent, we'd have to use tan because it says O and A, which is TOA. TOA, tan x, tan of the angle, equals the opposite, 850, divided by the adjacent. So if we cross multiply, we get x tan 35 equals 850, and x equals 850 divided by tan 35. So x equals 1213.93 meters. Don't know how that would be rounded in the textbook. I'm going to go to the nearest centimeter to 2 dp. Part B is to work out the line BC. So here, BC, let's call that Y, just to have something different. It is the hypotenuse. I'll ignore the adjacent because it was something we worked out in case that was wrong. And I'll use the opposite again. So O and H is sine. So if we get the sine equation, we get sine of the angle, sine 35 equals the opposite, 850 divided by the hypotenuse, which is Y. If we rearrange that, we get Y sine 35 equals 850. So Y is 850 divided by sine 35, and that gives 1481.93 meters. Just one thing to check, the hypotenuse should be the longest side, and this is the biggest distance, so that makes sense.